Dove, Eva, Irish Spring, they are all complexion care soaps that are affordable, easy to find, and gives people little to no allergic reaction. I had about 10 brands that I wanted to review with you guys today on affordable body soaps for flawless, beautiful, clean skin. But I settled for these three because they are complexion care soaps. I know some of you have used these soaps at one point or the other, and if yes, how do you know which one is best for you? Now, why these three soaps? Why out of the 10 brands that I was trying to look for, why did I settle for these three soaps? It's because they are complexion care soaps. Now, there's a difference between using an ordinary bar soap that all it does is to just clean your skin and that's basically it, versus a soap that is formulated strategically to care not just for your skin, but for your complexion. I mean, it's going to nourish, pamper, and care for your complexion. Complexion as in, regardless of whether you are dark, fair, caramel, this soap is going to be your best bet. And I'm so excited because not only are these soaps affordable, they are easy to find and they give people little to no allergic reaction. And that's why I settled for these three soaps. Now let's begin without talking too much. The first one that I want to review for you guys today is Eva Complexion Care Soap from Evans Industries. Now I'm so excited because I got most of the information that I was trying to look for on their website, and I love a brand that accommodates and thinks ahead of the consumer, that in case the consumer wants to know more about our product, let's put up a website that is consumer friendly where they can get all the information that they need to know on how to use our product. And I honestly got enough information from there. But that's the first thing. Secondly, Eva comes in about 10 or more variants that I could find. There's the gold, the herbal, the ivory, the classic. Which other one is here? The pearl, the forever one. There's a lot of Eva variants out there, and that's also a good plus. Now, Eva comes in a pack of 150 grams this size. It's a lot for the price point of 800 naira, and it's from Evans Industries in Nigeria. This is a Nigerian brand. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about when it comes to this soap is, first, it's a complexion care soap. Secondly, the manufacturer claims that it has natural ingredients such as honey, milk, glycerin, vitamins that help to beautify, soften, and nourish the skin. But is that true? Is that really true? Because the only way to measure how good a soap is going to be to the consumer is to look at the ingredient list. Let's look at the typical ingredient list of any Eva soap that you're going to find out there. First is sodium palmate, fragrance, water, sodium chloride, glycerin, color, and vitamin E. Honestly, in most of the ingredients, in most of the variants that I try to look for, in any of the variants of the Eva soap that you would find out there. And that's because I don't think the manufacturer paid attention to support the claim and back it up with the ingredients that they put inside the soap, okay? But another thing you need to know about this soap is that it is a highly fragrance soap. I think the disparity and the difference between one variant or the other is the fragrance inside it, and not necessarily the key ingredients. It is the fragrance and the coloring that makes one variant different from the other. So expect to feel and to smell sensual fragrances and odors and beautiful perfume in your bathroom when you are done using the Eva. Now, this is what I want to say. When it comes to this soap, I would classify it as an ordinary moisturizing complexion care soap. Expect zero brightening because it does not do that. From this ingredient list, we can support our claim that this is an ordinary moisturizing complexion care soap. It has no special ingredients like honey. I didn't see milk in this ingredient list from the one I just read to you and the ingredients on their website. Don't expect extra benefits like deep hydration, deep moisturizing, even complexion, or really just all these other benefits that come with soaps that are formulated with ingredients strategically put inside to give you these benefits, okay? Because this Eva soap is just a basic, ordinary complexion care soap. It's not going to be doing so much like brightening or even accentuating your complexion or evening out your skin tone. It is really just going to clean up your skin and give your skin a beautiful, gentle finish. That is basically it. So if you ask me, I will rate the Eva variant soap, I think about 65%. Honestly, from their website, I was expecting to see a lot with the ingredient list. And for a price point of 800 naira, somehow I expected a lot, because looking at it with other products and the soaps that I'll be reviewing in today's video, they are about the same price range. I don't know why they could not add more ingredients infused into this soap to give the consumer more than just ordinary cleansing. Okay, the second soap that I want to review for you guys today is Irish Spring Deodorant Soap. Actually, that is the full name. So it's not just Irish Spring, it is Irish Spring Deodorant Soap. And as the name entails, it's a deodorant soap. That means this soap is packed with a lot of fragrance and perfume that is supposed to eliminate any kind of body odor. But it is also a complexion care soap, because it is an affordable body soap that you can pick up from any supermarket, that works for all complexions and skin colors, regardless of whether you are dark, caramel, or fair in complexion. You can also use Irish Spring Deodorant Soap. But the first thing that I want to mention today is that this soap might not be suitable for sensitive skin. Sensitive skin, if your skin is sensitive, that means that your skin gets easily irritated by strongly perfumed body care products, body soaps, body washes and stuff, and it might throw your skin off balance and irritate your skin's moisture barrier. So this is honestly, in my opinion, a no-no if your skin is sensitive. But other than that, if your skin is not sensitive and you are fair, dark, or caramel, you can use this soap because it is a good complexion care soap. From the makers of Colgate and different kinds of body washes that they also have, this soap is very, very good. It is from Palmolive Industries. I love Palmolive because I have tried most of their body washes, and there's a signature that they have, and that is the perfume and the fragrances that they add to their body care products. Hardly will you use any products from Palmolive and your bathroom is not going to smell nice after. It is impossible, because they have mastered the art of creating beautifully fragranced body wash, body care products for people to use. Now, the second thing you need to know about Irish Spring is one tab retails for 600 naira. It weighs about 100 kilograms, and you can get a pack of 3 for 1,765 naira. This is Google Nigerian price. I'm not sure what happens in the supermarkets, but I'm just telling you what I researched. Now, the second thing you need to know about Irish Spring are the key ingredients. And the key ingredients just gives us a hint of what to expect from this soap. Now, the manufacturer claims that it is a gentle, caring formula that eliminates bad odors and that gives your skin a fresh, clean scent. Simple. They didn't tell us that this soap is going to brighten your skin, it's going to lighten your skin, it's going to do this. No. They kept it simple. Now, let's match their claim with the ingredients that the soap was formulated with. I will read it out loud for you guys now. The first one is sodium palmitate, water, glycerin, perfume, linseed oil, titanium dioxide, and sodium chloride. As far as I'm concerned, all these products and the ingredients in this particular soap are basic soap formulating ingredients, with the exception of the strong perfume that is inside it and probably the coloring. That is basically it. Irish Spring is not supposed to deeply hydrate your skin. As a matter of fact, honestly, I think products who come highly fragranced and highly scented sometimes has a way of making the skin feel very, very harsh and honestly disturbed. It's just a personal preference. So Irish Spring is a plain, gentle complexion care soap, simple, that offers a gentle, caring formula that allows your skin to retain freshness and that eliminates all kinds of bad odors, giving you a beautiful, fresh, clean scent all over your skin. That's basically it. It has no extra extracts and stuff and all of that. It doesn't do that. I know they have one that has aloe inside it. Apart from that one, and aloe is supposed to be a natural skin humectant that holds on to more moisture on your skin. But in the Irish Spring original deodorant soap, it does not have aloe. It does not have any special extracts that you should be expecting any special benefits from. The last soap that we are going to talk about today is the Dove Beauty Bars. And the reason why I'm dancing is because I'm so excited to talk about this one, because this particular soap is my favorite amongst the three. And I'm going to help you to see the reason why. If you're on a budget, student-size budget, you want something affordable, easy to find, a good pre-cleanse soap that is gentle, moisturizing, hydrating, and that offers certain kind of special benefits, the Dove Beauty Bar is going to be your best bet. It comes in more than 10 different variants of bar soaps that I absolutely love. I will tell you the ones I have special reservations for, but this particular soap brand is something that I absolutely love. It's from the brand called Unilever Group. It is dermatologist recommended. That's plus, honestly, very, very important. And then lastly, I think the manufacturers of Dove have your beauty in mind, because explain to me why, compared to the others, Dove thinks about, oh, your complexion, your skin type, and the compatible extracts that should go with these three. Let me repeat myself. Dove is not just telling you, oh, buy this beauty bar and use it as complexion care. They decided to give you different variants with special extracts that is compatible with your skin type and your complexion. And I will show you why. The Dove Beauty Bar in shea butter with shea butter extract. This soap has 1/4 moisturizing cream, which is a plus if you ask me. Secondly, it has shea butter, meaning if your skin is dark in complexion and your skin is dry and sensitive, shea butter is going to be a very beautiful ingredient that you're going to be looking out for, because shea butter is a natural skin moisturizing ingredient. Okay, do you see what I'm telling you now? Now, I have a special reservation for the Dove Original Beauty Bar because this one has no special extract, nothing. Honestly, this particular brand or variant from the Dove Beauty Bar range does not even really ladder up a lot. But I did not stop my research there. I decided to try the other variants. I've used the Dove Pink Bar, I've used the Dove Restoring Bar, and both these other two seem to foam better, seem to give my skin more hydration, more moisturizing feeling compared to the Dove Original Bar. And that's why I have extra confidence to tell you guys, if you're looking for affordable complexion care soap that has your skin type, your skin complexion, and your extract in mind, you're going to want to look at the Dove Beauty Bars. Price point for the Dove Beauty Bar is between 600 naira to 800 naira on open market. Sometimes it comes in a pack of 4 depending on the one you find, and then it weighs about 100 grams, which is okay. You can use it for about 30 days before you have to open up another one. Now, another thing we need to talk about when it comes to the Dove Beauty Bar is the ingredient list. I don't want you to just take my word for it. Apart from the fact that it is trending on TikTok as the #1 pre-cleansing soap that is popular, that most people, whether they are fair, dark, or caramel, they use it as a gentle body soap at night, during the day. It is trending on TikTok as a very reputable brand that you can depend on, not just for cleansing, but for adequate complexion care. This soap is it as far as I'm concerned. If you're out there looking for an affordable option and you're dark in complexion, just look at the variants. Look at the extract. Oh, shea butter is going to be good for you. Cocoa butter is going to be good for you if you are dark in complexion. Oh, and fair. The pink one is good. The revitalizing one is good. The restoring one is good. You can try those ones. And if you're caramel, you can have the taste of both worlds as far as I'm concerned. But now let's look at the ingredient list. And I'm going to be looking down into my notes because some of these words I can't really pronounce. I could not memorize it. So the first ingredient in the Dove Beauty Bar is sodium isotonate, cocamidopropyl, betaine, lauric acid, sodium oilate, sodium chloride, perfume, and which other one? Glycerin aqua. So those are some of the key ingredients in the Dove Beauty Bar. Now let me explain to you why from this ingredient list you can honestly take the word of the manufacturer for it to be a very deeply hydrating, moisturizing, honestly 100% beautiful complexion care soap that also comes at an affordable price point, that is easy to find, and that will give your skin little to zero allergies, regardless of your skin color and your skin type. See, the sodium isotonate in this particular product is an ingredient that allows the skin to have a beautiful smoothness. The cocamidopropyl betaine is derived from coconut, and this is a very hydrating skincare ingredient. Lastly, lauric acid has beautiful, gentle, antibacterial properties. Now, these are some of the ingredients in Dove. Now, combine these ingredients with the additional extracts that comes in this soap. Do you see why spending 800 naira on Dove will give you more than spending 800 naira on Irish Spring or spending 800 naira on Eva? Because there are three affordable soaps, but from the look of things, one seems to offer the consumer more than they even paid for. And this is why I think everybody on TikTok is raving about it. I did not even only stop at using their bar soap. I got their body wash. I've tried their cream before. The brand is very, very good, and they have a reputation for making products that are very moisturizing, hydrating, and that will take good care of your complexion. I believe that if your skin has enough extract to keep the hydration, the moisture, and all the good stuff, naturally your skin is going to become smoother, it's going to be flawless, and it's going to have a beautiful, even skin tone to it, if you ask me. So amongst all these three, of course, Dove has a whopping 95% approval rate from me as a top recommendation, but this is the best that I think you should look out for if you are trying to get an affordable complexion care soap. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which of the Dove beauty bars have you tried before? And if you're here, you use Irish Spring and all my claims are not really justifiable, share your thoughts with me in the comment section. I want to hear what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.